What are the chances that the weather will dip below freezing one more time this spring? Hi, I'm Darren Hefty with today's Ag Minute. Freezing temperatures are always a concern for farmers in the upper Midwest and in other parts of the world as well. With crops growing outside, fully exposed to whatever weather extremes may pop up, there's a lot of risk farmers have to be willing to take on. While there are certainly cultural and management practices that can somewhat reduce the risks posed by a minor frost, the only way to completely avoid the risk of frost out in an open field is to wait to plant the crop until you're sure frost is no longer a possibility. One thing that farmers look at to make the best choice on when to plant is the historical climate data for their area. For example, here's a chart showing the 50th percentile date for the last freeze in South Dakota. The chart is based on 30 years of climate data. Farmers will plant grass crops like wheat and corn early because their growing points remain safely below the soil. They'll wait with the broadleaf crops like soybeans that can be easily killed by frost. With today's Ag Minute, I'm Darren Hefty.